Hello, all pioneers across the globe. I'm very happy to bring you this video once again. You see, the level we are getting to now is a very sensitive one that nobody should play with. It's sensitive in such that this is the time we are getting to, that time that we have to guide our pi, what we have suffered for a very long time, with all seriousness and all sense of security, because it's now becoming imperative that we should by all means secure our pi. And I want to bet you that in no distant time from now, a lot of people will be employing the services of security men to guide them and to guide their phone. That is why it is very important. The video I'm about to do is for everyone. It's for every pioneer. And why is it for everyone? Because at this point in time, people are targeting other people's phone. They want to strip you off of everything you have labored for years. That is why this video is very, very important. The video is about how to update your password. And for you to update your password, it means a lot of things. That means when your phone is stolen, anybody, and you are able to change your password from another device, that person cannot have access to your pi. That is why it is very important, because in my area now, phones are getting lost by the day. That is exactly what prompted me to do this video, in order to help somebody. So it's a knowledge that every pioneer must have. It's a knowledge that everyone that is in Pi network must acquire. That is why it is very important that we know how to change this password, how to update our password, because once you update your password, you render your application in other devices nullified. You render it inactive and nobody can access it again. So that is why it's very important. And what about if you want to do anything on Pi and they are requesting for your password and you are not able to get it, or probably you have put your password before and you've forgotten the password that you use? This is the right time to change that password and know your password, so that you can know your password offhand. So that is the essence of this video, and I don't want us to be selfish about this video. Please let us help our brothers. There are a lot of people that they have stolen their phone right now and they can no longer access their pi again. So that is why this very video is very, very important. Please watch this video, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Infodem. I told you that Infodem is where you will get everything, every information that you need about pi, and this is one of them. So let's go straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do if you want to update your password is to go to your Pi app, Pi application. You click it. Okay, when you open your Pi application, the next thing you want to do is to come to this three drop here, the drop down at the top left hand corner. You click it. When you click it, you scroll down to profile. You click profile. Then when you click profile, you scroll down to password. As you can see, when you get to where password is, you will see an update at the front. The next thing you want to do is to click that update. You click it, then you come here, you choose your country here. I'm doing this from Nigeria, so I'm looking for Nigeria right now. Let me just type it in order to make everything fast. This is Nigeria. I put Nigeria. Then you put your phone. What you want to do is to click start. When you click start, you can see SMS verification, text verification code. You will not need to send a text to our verifications. You will now need to send a text to our verification service in US. Where you see USA, if you go directly like this, it may not work, because oftentimes people that have helped to do this thing, when I use USA or United Kingdom, it did not work. So you click where USA is and choose. You can choose Israel or Australia. When you choose Israel, then you come to open SMS. Then you come down here, open SMS again. From here now, it will redirect you to your SMS. You can see it has generated the code. All you need to do is to send this, just send this, but make sure that you have at least 20 naira as on your phone, at least 20 naira. Now I'm sending it to that place. Here, as you can see, it's waiting for verification. You go back, you minimize it and come back here. Let's see. As you can see, it has brought update your password. After creating new password, your account will be logged out on any other devices. That is why this teaching is very, very important, because if you don't know it, now that Pi is becoming something else, a lot of people are even targeting phone. That is why you must learn how to change this password, because if anybody or your phone gets stolen, log in, change your password, and you will make sure that you render that person incapacitated there. That is why it is very important that you know this setting, because if you don't know it and your phone is stolen, that is the end. So everybody must know how to change this password, and that is why it is very important. I want to encourage you that you share this video and let other people know the reason why they must know how to change their password, because we are getting to that stage now, so that we can save and we can help our brothers. So the next thing you want to do now is to put your new password. And if you have even forgotten how your password, this video is for you, because it will not be okay that you want to do anything on your Pi and it's requesting for password. Now you don't know your password. This is the right thing for you to do. Change your password now to the password that you know. So I want to put another password now. As you can see, the next thing I want to do from here is to click submit. Once I click submit, it says confirm your email address. If the following email address is yours, we will use it for any future account. I confirm it. As you can see, your password has been successfully updated. Your account has been logged out on all other devices. So that is why it is very important that you know how to update your password this time around, so that you can know how to change your password. And once you know that, once anybody steals your phone, immediately collect somebody else's phone, log that person out, log in yourself, or download another application, use
your normal Facebook account or phone number to log in, then change your password immediately. Then that is the end. But if you allow that person to change password before you, that will be too bad for you. So that is why this video is very, very important. If you know that this video has helped you and informative, please don't hesitate to like this video. Don't waste time to share this video, and also subscribe to this channel, because every information that you need about Pi is right here, I can assure you. Until I see you in my next video, I say be good.